In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a client report in Harvest. Hi everyone, and welcome back. If you're tracking time and invoices in Harvest, a client report is a great way to see exactly how much work has been done for a specific client, who did it, and over what period. It's perfect for status updates, billing reviews, or sharing a clear snapshot with stakeholders. First, log into your Harvest account using your usual credentials. Once you're in, look toward the top of the screen for the main navigation. Click on Reports. This is the central hub for Harvest reporting tools, and it's where you'll find different report types tailored to projects, teams, and clients. From the report types, select Clients. This view focuses on data grouped by client, which makes it easy to get a high-level summary or drill down as needed. Next, choose the client you want to report on. If you work with a long list of clients, use the drop-down or search to find the right one quickly. Selecting the correct client ensures the report only includes the relevant projects and entries. Now, set the date range for the report. Use the calendar to pick specific start and end dates, or select a preset like this month or last month if that's easier. Be intentional here. The date range determines which time entries are included, so make sure it aligns with the period you need to analyze or share. If you want to refine the results further, customize any filters. You can narrow it down by projects, team members, or other available options. Filters are especially useful when you're focusing on a particular phase of a project or a specific team's contributions. Apply only what you need so the report stays clear and meaningful. When everything looks set, click View Report. Harvest will compile the data and display it, typically showing totals for hours, billable amounts, and other details based on your account setup. Take a moment to confirm the date range, client, and filters at the top, so the numbers reflect exactly what you expect. To save or share the results, click Export and choose either PDF or CSV. Pick PDF if you want a ready-to-send, presentation-style document with consistent formatting. Choose CSV if you plan to open the data in a spreadsheet for deeper analysis or to create your own charts. A quick tip: give the file a clear name with the client and date range so it's easy to find later. And that's how you create a client report in Harvest. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.